Hey guys, it's Laura. In today's workout, we're going to be doing Medball cardio. Yay! If you don't have a Medball or you prefer not to use one, you can use a light dumbbell or nothing at all. My Medball is only 5 pounds, so keep it light. We'll be moving at speed, doing different fun movements. So make sure you have water and a towel handy, and let's get started. So like I said, I have a Medball. This is only 5 pounds. Only 5 pounds. You can use a light dumbbell. You could use nothing. Okay, but just think of doing the same arm motions. We're just adding resistance to it, and there's something about adding a ball. I don't know why, but it makes it more fun. Okay, come up and over. Of course, you can make your movements smaller, especially if that weight feels heavy. You should not be using a heavy weight. The emphasis is on speed and cardio. Now, why do we add weight to cardio? More calories burned, work your core a little more, but remember, you need to have control. Now press forward. You're passing me the ball. You're like, heads up. Now with me, you'll have to give me lots of notice. Push, pull. Push, pull. 2 more. We're gonna go back to the up and over. Here we go. I'm turning my feet, letting my knees turn. 8. Remember, you can go lower if you're feeling too much shoulder. 4, 3, 2, pass the ball. Push, pull. Push, pull. Okay, 4 more. 2 more. Now, just to that corner, give me 3. 1, 2, 3. That again. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go forward, up, forward, and back. Forward, up, forward, and back. We're going back to the top. Up and over. 4 more. Press forward, pass. Boom. 2 more. Remember, control that. Over here, 3. And again. 2 more. Last one. Bring it center. Squat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up. And again, we're just holding it. Press those knees outward. 7 again. I'm gonna go round, around, around. Doesn't matter which way. Bring it in. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stand up. 2 more times. Sit back, sit back. Take it up. 1 more. 3, 2, 1. Now press this way. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go forward, up, forward. Use the legs. Not just the arms. Use your whole body. Use your ears. Got to work those lobes. That's something you don't hear every day. You got 2 more. Last one. All right, 7 count squat. Now I'm going to go the other way. 3, 4, 5, 6. Stand up. And again. 1, 2. Come on, get deeper. 3, 2. Up. 2 more. 3, 2. Up. Here's your last one. 3, 2, just tap forward, relax your shoulders. All right, give me 4 more. How you feeling? Now you should be fully warmed up. We've done all those legs, definitely did some shoulders, side to side. Okay, so we got a crossbody chop. Remember, this could be with a dumbbell. Down, press up, or swing it. What I like about the swing movement, a little less shoulder involved, although they're working. It helps you to be more mindful of using those core muscles. Remember, your core is more than your abs. It's your lower back, it's those hips, those deeper muscles. So you want to use the hip, press off. 4, 3, 2, tap forward. Okay. Give me a knee and a knee. Now 3 knees. 1, 2, 3. The arms are going to change. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See if you can get that elbow to the outside of the thigh. 2 more. Or at least the ball. Okay, let's do that crossbody chop again. Same way. Up. Four, 3, 2, 3 alternating knees. Doesn't matter which way you go. Nope. We're alternating. 2 more. Last one. We got the crossbody chop. One more time. Woo. Come on, use that glute muscle. 4, 3. Turn your body. 3 knees. I love twisting motions. To me, they feel good. All right, here's your last one. Leg back. Relax your shoulders. We're still moving. Now, do you remember that circle we went out? This time we'll go up and around. So, give me a 3 leg back repeater. 1, 2, 3, and then go the other way. 1, 2, 3. If it confuses you with the arms and the leg going, just do what feels good. It's just cardio. This is just decoration. Remember to tip forward. That's surprisingly hard. Hold it. Let's go the other way, crossbody. Did I give you enough notice on that? I don't know if I did. Remember, turn the chest. It follows that weight. So you don't want to keep your legs glued. You got 4 more. Okay, we're going back to that 3 knees. Switch. One more. We're going back to that crossbody. Go. 8, 7. Last 4. 2 more. 3 knees. Remember, it doesn't matter which way. Side, side. 2 more. We have 1 more set of that crossbody. All right, here we go. 6 more. 4. 1 more set of the 3 alternating knees. Here's your last one. Go. Okay, 2 more. Can you turn a little bit more? I think you can. 3 leg back repeater circle. 2, 3. Remember, don't kick that leg up. Take the arm out if that's messing you up. Okay, focus on here. 2 more. Rest. Nice. Okay. Option here. We're going to be setting this down and we're going to pick it back up. Not your thing, too low. You can always get a ball like that. That would be really, oh, I'm just kidding, don't do that. You're like, I don't even have to bend over. Feet apart. So you're gonna go down, lift, down, pick up. Down, lift, down, pick up. What you don't wanna do is this. Okay? Think about getting into a squat. You could even just come down, touch the ball. And if you got a dumbbell, just stand it up. Especially the bigger ones, they're really tall, right? Down. Okay, I'll get with you. Down, reach, down, pull up. Sit back. Now, grab the ball, hold it. Up, press out. Up, press out. Up and over like we started, press out. But I'm gonna add to this, press out. Up and over, lift side. Up and over, lift side. A lot of core going on. Upper body as well. Knees and toes turned out, because that's the direction your body is facing. Okay, we're gonna go back where we started with putting that ball down or not. All right, set it down. Reach up, pick it up. Remember, you don't have to pick it up. I'll let you know when it's time. Sit back. Or you could just squat the whole time. Here we go. Up and over. Up, lift, up, lift. Up. Should we do one more set? I think so too. Put it down. Thanks for agreeing. If you didn't, it's because I didn't hear you. What my grandpa has, selective deafness. Okay, up and over. He never heard a word my grandma said when she was telling him he needed to do something. And then he would wink at me. I knew what was up. Rest. Tap side to side. Okay, tap forward. We're on our last little block of cardio. Get water anytime you need it. Front kick. Press. Now reach that ball toward the outside of the leg. So again, rotation doesn't have to go high with the leg. See how much you can reach out. Give me a leg curl side to side like we did earlier. Side to side. Now pull that elbow back. Think of tucking it in. Get that heel all the way up. Come on, pull that elbow back and in. Work through that lat muscle, that upper back of the shoulder. We're going back to the kick. Ready? Go. Reach out. Remember, it doesn't matter which side you start with. 4, 3, get that twist in there if that feels good to you. Leg curl, pull back, pull. Okay, we got one more set. 4 more. Here comes that kick. Go, turn. What do you think I'm gonna say? Abs in. Because there is tension on the low back when you lift that leg. Leg curl. Pull in, pull in. You can make the movement bigger if you want to. 8. 4 more. Center up. Okay, put that that Medball. If you have a dumbbell, put that down. Awesome. All right, big inhale. Exhale. Oh. Now, With the med ball and the upper body, there was a lot of shoulder involved, so take those arms back, press back. Remember, if this doesn't feel good to you, if that doesn't feel like, oh, that's really helping, just open up right across. Shouldn't be a struggle. Now you can deepen that if you want to, hinging forward, taking those arms back. If you're just like, hey, yeah, you could hear. You don't have to bend forward. Remember, it's all about what feels good to you. It should feel like a release of that tight shoulder. Okay, let that go. Now bring one elbow behind the head as much as you can, taking those hands down and feeling that tricep. And then take that same arm, reach forward as far as you can, and then pull it across. So you want to get that shoulder down and away, so you can think about pulling it across a little bit more, just into the back of the shoulder. And I like to pull down here so I can deepen that a little bit more. Okay, release that, bring that up, pull that elbow back and in. Try to get it behind the head as much as you can. And then bring that down. Now reach forward, because we want to get that shoulder blade away from our body and then bring it in. So you're thinking about trying to get a little more distance between that shoulder blade and your spine, opening up that space. Good, let that go. Woo. Okay, take those hands, slide them down your legs, curl those hips under. And flatten your back. And you're just moving through this, releasing that lower back, all that twisting, that core. And get tight. And you can even hold that stretch if you want. Here's your last one. Good, release, bring it up, one leg forward, shift back, pressing that hip back. Remember, you don't want to be tucked, you want to lift that tailbone. So it's like pouring that pelvis. That's the illustration that you get in your textbook when you're doing the certification for group fitness or personal training. They use a bucket. Your pelvis is the bucket. You want the water to pour forward and not backward. Okay, come up, step back. We're almost done. This is the end. And then bend that leg, curl your pelvis under, sink down. So you want to feel the hip flexor of that back leg and your quad. And you can lean back, deepen that a little bit. Okay, bring yourself up. Now that leg goes forward. Tilt the pelvis forward. Think about pressing the chest forward as opposed to down. And then come up, step back. I'm turning around so you can see what leg I'm working. Calf stretch. Bring that knee in. Curl the pelvis under. Sink down. If you feel like this knee is traveling forward, slide this foot back. You just need more distance. And we can lean back. Feel that release. That muscle tends to get tight, especially hip flexor if you sit a lot, if you have a desk job. Definitely strengthen and stretch. Remember, you don't want to just stretch because it feels tight. Step in. Let's do one final stretch. Over to the side, shift that hip. Feel it all the way down the side. And then other way. Shift that hip. I hope you feel good. Thank you so much for working out with me. Let me know how you did. Workouts you'd like to see in the future. Say hi. I'll see you next time. Bye.